So this amazing thing just happened where something became so easy, it was kind of a duh moment. So I was on the phone with another teacher and he created this amazing thing called Zelda Map. And when students opened it, we could get it to where it could have students make a copy as long as that was in Google Docs. But we don't want this in Google Docs. We wanted it as a link to a PDF that is saved in Google Docs. So once you open this up and then you open it up with Cami, here's what happens. You start to draw on it. As long as you aren't the owner of it, you start to draw on this and it'll request you to make a copy. Now I'm the owner of this. But then if I go to another one that Peter sent me that I'm not the owner of, it's redirecting me to a PDF that I'm going to open with Cami. All the student needs to do is start interacting with it. And all of a sudden, it'll request me to make a copy of it. In other words, I won't affect it. Every student will have their own copy. So I don't have permission to edit the file. So I'm going to create a copy of that file. And that copy will then be saved into my drive as a copy that I can then change and write on and do all kinds of stuff with. And now it's mine. It was like such an easy solution. All you need to do in here is just, give me 1 second. It was such an easy solution that I just felt like a big duh. And I'm sure, I'm absolutely positive that a bunch of you are struggling with this because I struggled with it for a long time and couldn't figure out why it didn't work and what was going on with me. I thought, oh my gosh, what am I doing? This isn't right. I can't figure this out. But all you have to do is just link something and put it in there. So if I want this to be my link, I can go to my Google Drive. I can click on the link itself. This is it. If you don't know what I'm doing, that's the actual link. Actually, I'll just go to this. It's the PDF version, and I'm going to get a shareable link. I don't need to change anything about it. I just need to make sure that anyone can view it, and then copy that, and then put it into here as a link, and then voila, open a new window, create link. Save it. There it is right there. And once students click on this link, it will take them to that. They'll open it with Cami and be forced to make a copy of it as soon as they start interacting with it. It'll make them make their own copy. So tell them just to start drawing just even the smallest thing, it'll make their own copy. It's brilliant. Thank you, Peter.